आमिर खान तो बिजी हैं शाहरुख खान को टक्कर देने में, लेकिन गजनी की सजनी तो करना चाहती हैं एसआरके के साथ काम। जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं गजनी की हीरोइन आसिन की। जूम से खास बातचीत में आसिन ने बताई अपने दिल की बात और जम कर की बॉलीवुड के खान्स की तारीफ। आइए मिलते हैं आसिन से हमारे स्टार्स टॉक सेगमेंट में।
मार्केटिंग टीम की स्ट्रैटेजी थी कि आई इंटरैक्ट विद द मीडिया क्लोजर टू द रिलीज ऑफ द फिल्म, तो दे आर द एक्सपर्ट्स एट देयर जॉब, सो आई completely trust them. I don't think so. I've never felt that way. But so far as Gajni goes, Gajni is a story of Sanjay Singhania and he is the central character. So he is the main highlight of the film, and as I said, I'm just part of Sanjay Singhania's life. So obviously the highlight of Gajni is Amir. Basically it's the same film, it's the same story, and मेरी जो character है कल्पना, she remains the same. Character outline is the same, essence of the character is the same. एक बहुत ordinary लड़की है, बहुत simple, बहुत lower middle class background की है, जो बॉम्बे की ad film industry में एक struggler है. तो that's the character and she remains the same. जैसे तमिल version of गजनी में कल्पना थी, वैसे ही it's in the Hindi version except for change in the language, and कहानी हो रही है अभी बॉम्बे में. It's not really very different, बहुत similarities है. The basic things remain the same. Also the people, you have talented people in both the industries, you have talented technicians, professionals working in both the industries. Actually they come and work in different industries. The same people keep working in different industries too. The major differences नहीं है. Very little differences if you say like ways of organization, ways that you function generally on shoots, like how you organize your schedules. जैसे हर दिन के itinerary programs are printed out and given to each and every unit member. जैसे सब लोग are connected on the walkies with each other, the HODs, the ADs. So those differences, you don't have that walkie culture there down south. But besides that, the main things remain the same.
ए बच्चू तू सुन ले मेरे दिल का ये कौर, अब खुल के जी ले तू कोई सीमा ना तोड़.
It's the first song in the film, and also it is a character introduction of Kalpana. तो वो completely describe करती है कि उसकी attitude कैसे है, वो क्या सोचती है, कैसे जीती है her life. So it's completely bindaas. Definitely there's no comparison at all, क्योंकि although they're similar as to as actors, the way they work, it's quite similar. Like both of them are very dedicated and very professional about their jobs, but the way they've approached the characters are completely different. That's the plus point about Amir. He goes all out to make the character as convincing as it needs to be. Salman's always had a fabulous body, but Amir has really worked on this now, and it's something that you've not seen him before, and so just because of the novelty factor, I would definitely say Amir at this point of time, yes. I've not met Shah Rukh in person. I think he's got a great screen presence and charm. Amir definitely, well, as a person, I admire his simplicity, and he's very down to earth. That's I keep saying this, but that is the highlight of his personality. Even though he's such a big star, he's very rooted. Salman is completely from the heart. He's very frank, and that's the endearing quality about him. Yeah. नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. I really wish the film a lot of success, and I hope Anushka does really well in Bollywood, but really no competition at all, because मेरे हिसाब से for me, I'm just looking at improving my work from film to film, and I'm just concentrating on that. तो मेरी concentration पूरी तरह is on that. So for me, just on that sense, my competition is with myself only. There's no concept of a race itself in my head. So I'm not even thinking of that. There's no number game, there's no race that I'm running. So no, I don't think of all that. Not very comfortable with exposure, but as long as it doesn't look vulgar on screen, and I'm comfortable with the kind of clothes that are given to me, and I feel that they suit me, then I would. मेरी अधूरी प्यास प्यास तू आ गई मन को रास रास, अब तो तू आजा पास पास.